Hello Jenny, today is Monday, July 28th, 2014, and today I am driving a little baby bird to rehab. He came in yesterday when I was on call during the weekend, and it's just a little baby bird. I think it's a robin. They said it was a blue jay, but you know. So he came in, he's perfectly healthy, and he just needs to be fed until he can be released. So we take them to wildlife rehabilitators so that they can deal with it. They have more expertise than us and more time. So yeah, take you on the journey. So we are going to Tugaloo Animal Hospital, which is about an hour and a half away. So yeah, I don't know where I'm going. Fun times. Ran out of gas, so have to fill up. So at the gas station, I stopped and got a Snickers ice cream bar because I deserve it, and I haven't had one of these since middle school, and they are delicious. Absolutely delicious. So I am slightly lost, so I have to re-put stuff on my GPS and figure out where I am. Fun! So all in all, it was a pretty lackluster journey. It's just a lot of long, boring highway driving. But this evening, when I came back, I got a call and I got a raptor. I'm not quite sure what it is, a falcon or kestrel of some sort, immature kestrel. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to look it up. But I was quite excited for that. But yeah, I guess that's all I'm gonna do today. Courtney's coming over in a little bit and we're gonna watch a movie. So yeah.